What is the best approach for making buy or sell decisions in stock trading? Making the right decision in stock market trading involves a combination of analysis, strategy, and discipline. Here's a structured approach to guide your decisions. 1. Understand your goals and risk tolerance. Set clear goals. Are you looking for short-term gains, long-term growth, or income generation? Assess risk tolerance. Understand how much loss you can bear emotionally and financially. 2. Conduct fundamental analysis. Study company. Fundamentals. Analyze financial statements, earnings reports, debt levels, and growth potential. Industry trends. Research how the company is performing compared to its competitors. Economic indicators. Monitor macroeconomic factors like interest rates, inflation, and GDP growth. 3. Use technical analysis. Charts and patterns. Learn to read price charts and recognize patterns. For example, Head and Shoulders double bottoms. Indicators. Use tools like moving averages, RSI, relative strength index, and MACD, moving average convergence divergence, to identify trends and reversals. Volume analysis. Observe trading volumes to confirm trends. 4. Monitor market sentiment. News and events. Stay updated on market-moving news, earnings reports, and geopolitical events. Social sentiment. Be aware of how market participants are reacting, but avoid being swayed by herd mentality. 5. Develop a trading plan. Entry and exit points. Decide in advance where you'll buy and sell. Set stop loss. Limit potential losses by setting stop loss orders. Position sizing. Only risk a small percentage of your capital on a single trade. 6. Manage emotions. Avoid impulsive decisions driven by fear or greed. Stick to your plan even if the market becomes volatile. 7. Use tools and resources. Trading platforms. Use platforms that offer advanced charting and analytics. Research reports. Leverage broker reports and expert analyses. Simulated trading. Practice in a demo account to refine strategies without real risk. Satya 8. Continuous learning. Stay updated on market trends, new tools, and trading techniques. Learn from both successes and mistakes. Buy or sell decision example. Buy. When a stock shows strong fundamentals, bullish technical indicators, and positive market sentiment. Sell if the stock hits your target price, shows bearish technical indicators, or there's negative news affecting its value. Pro tip. Combine multiple approaches, for example, fundamental and technical analysis, to validate your decisions. Diversify your investments to reduce risk. There are more videos in playlist if you would like to deeper dive into any points. Please check it out.